Simkl. It's a TV, anime, and movie tracking service that helps you to keep track of what you've watched, and it shows you what to watch next, as well as what episodes you've missed. Today we're going to learn how you can install the Netflix Enhancer to enhance your Netflix viewing experience, and we'll look at some of the features that it offers. Okay, so before we install the Netflix Enhancer, we're going to need to go ahead and create a Simkl account. So to do this, click on Join Simkl at the top right-hand corner of the Simkl.com site. And here you have a few different options. I can either sign in with Facebook, I can sign in with my Google account, or with an email as well. I'm going to go ahead and just sign in with my Google account. So I click on Sign in with Google. I can choose the account that I'd like to use, and I'll be signed in automatically. Now you'll notice that off the bat here, once you sign in for the first time, you're going to need to go ahead and set up your profile. So to do this, you'll need to select some different TV shows that you enjoy. And then I can progress to animes that I'd like to watch as well. And finally, my movies that I like. Now as I'm making these selections, you'll notice that here in the bottom of the screen here, you're going to have two different options for what you're selecting. You can either choose that I've seen this, or if you plan to watch it. So you can choose both movies, shows, and animes that you have previously watched, as well as ones that you plan to watch in the future. Once you've made your selection, click on the Save and Go to Last Step button, and here we're going to go ahead and be able to install the extension. Alright, so after you click on the Add Simkl Chrome extension option here, click on Add Extension, and it's going to go ahead and install into your Chrome browser. Now you'll also receive a confirmation email that you'll need to check, so make sure to check your email to verify. And here you can see in the top right hand corner, I have successfully installed the Netflix Enhancer. Now if I click on that in the top right hand corner, you can see that from here I have my Simkl dashboard, and I can enable the service for Netflix, Hulu, or Crunchyroll, whichever ones I'd like. So there are a few different features that you're going to be able to benefit from using the Netflix Enhancer. You're going to be able to add IMDb, My Anime Lits, and Simkl ratings. You'll also be able to hover over movies and shows on the Netflix website to be able to watch trailers. Whenever you watch movies, they'll be grayed out for you automatically. You're going to receive secret Netflix categories, which is the Simkl browse function, and you're going to have the option to find random shows and movies. At any time, I can go ahead and navigate to my dashboard straight from the extension here, and I can also choose one of these episodes to see more information about. So I'm going to go ahead and click on one of these. You can see it'll take you to this page here where you'll be able to see more information about this episode. You can see what platforms you'll be able to watch it on, etc. You can also mark it as watched if you'd like from here. Now in the extension, I'm going to go ahead and enable services to check my watch history from Netflix. Now you can see here it's going to ask me to log into Netflix. I'm going to go ahead and click on that link here. Now I can go ahead and sign in. Okay, so I'm logged into Netflix here, and you can see that if I scroll down, if I hover over a show now, I can see the IMDb rating. I can see the Simkl ratings here. You can see what TV ranking it's at, the drop right here. So these ratings provided by Simkl will make it very easy for you to decide what to watch. Right, and so you'll notice from my home screen here, if I scroll to my animes, I'll also be able to see the My Anime Lists rating as well for the animes. So I have separate ratings there. You can still see my Simkl ratings. Alright, so and another thing you'll notice here is when you're scrolling through your movies and shows, any movies or shows that you've actually completed, you're going to see that they'll be grayed out here in Netflix. Another thing you'll notice as you're scrolling through your Netflix titles here is any movies that you've actually already watched will be grayed out. So this will help you to see what you've already watched. Okay, so the next thing that we're going to talk about here is Simkl Browse. The Simkl Browse is going to allow you to access secret Netflix categories. So you can browse movies, TV shows, anime, etc. in subcategories. Now you'll see here that I'm logged into Netflix, and there's a Simkl Browse option here in the top. And under it, I'm going to see all of my different categories. Now I can go over to my TV shows, anime, or movies, and look at all of the different categories. All I have to do is just click on a specific category, and it's going to take me to view that list of different categories. I can see all of the content within that category, so it makes it a lot easier for you to find what you want to watch. And you can see that there's a lot of different subcategories even just under this action and adventure category here. So a lot of this content under movies here, action adventure, a lot of this is stuff that you would probably not be able to easily find just generally logging into Netflix. This is going to make it a lot easier for you to find different content to watch. Now another thing you'll notice here under your Simkl Browse option here is that you can also create favorites. So for example, if I really enjoy action and adventure movies, and let's say I also enjoy action thrillers, I can go ahead and favorite that as well. And then under my favorite section here, all the different favorite shows, animes, and movies that you've added, they're all going to appear under this favorites list. So anytime I can easily access them and see all the content that's available. Alright, so that's just a quick look at some of the features offered here from Simkl.com. You can download the Netflix Enhancer for free from the Chrome store, and you'll be able to truly enhance your Netflix viewing experience. That's it for this quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.